Poor circulation triples your fall risk after 60. But one specific drink can reverse this damage in hours, not days or weeks. I'm Dr. Ava Clark, and I'm showing you exactly what happens inside your legs within 24 hours of drinking this. You'll feel warmth returning, tingling stops, and I've ranked 5 drinks from worst to best so you know exactly which ones work. The number 1 drink widens your arteries by 30%, the difference between shuffling to the bathroom and walking with confidence. Before we start, like this video, subscribe, and tell me in the comments where you're watching from. Let's begin with what's happening inside your legs right now. After 60, your blood vessels produce 70% less nitric oxide. Nitric oxide keeps your arteries relaxed and wide open. Without it, your blood vessels shrink, get stiff, get narrow, and blood struggles to reach your feet. When circulation drops, everything falls apart. Muscles don't get oxygen, waste builds up, nerve damage accelerates, and microclots start forming in narrow vessels. The medical establishment tells you to take aspirin, move more, elevate your legs. Those help a little, but they treat symptoms, not the root cause: your collapsing nitric oxide production. This collapse isn't inevitable. It's reversible. Certain drinks force your body to produce nitric oxide again through basic biochemistry proven in over 3,000 studies. Your body converts specific compounds in these drinks into nitric oxide. When nitric oxide floods your system, arteries relax within minutes. Blood flow to your legs can increase 40 to 60% in a single day. You feel it immediately. Heaviness lifts, cramping stops, feet warm up. Over weeks, real healing begins. New capillaries form, nerve function improves, fall risk plummets. Not all circulation drinks work equally. Some are complete scams. Some work but have dangerous side effects. A few are absolute game changers, costing pennies per serving. Here are 5 drinks ranked from worst to best. Number 5. Green tea. Green tea contains catechins that improve vascular function, but the effect is minimal for leg circulation. Research shows green tea increases blood flow by only 12%. Catechins work slowly, improving function over months, not hours. Plus, you must drink it consistently for 8 to 12 weeks. Miss a few days, you lose benefits. Caffeine can cause vasoconstriction in some people, defeating the purpose. Most people drink it wrong. Boiling water destroys 50% of catechins. You need water at 170 degrees Fahrenheit maximum. Score: 3 out of 10. Number 4. Cocoa drink. Dark chocolate drinks made from real cocoa powder are legitimate circulation boosters. Flavonols in cocoa increase nitric oxide production significantly. Studies found cocoa improved blood flow by 24% on average, and the effect starts within 2 hours. Your legs warm up, tingling improves. But you must use pure unsweetened cocoa powder, not hot chocolate packets loaded with sugar. The ideal dose is 20 to 30 grams of cocoa powder daily, giving you 500 to 700 milligrams of flavonols. It tastes terrible without sweetener. Add stevia or monk fruit sweetener for zero blood sugar impact. Score: 6 out of 10. Number 3. Watermelon juice. Watermelon juice is a nitric oxide powerhouse loaded with L-citrulline, an amino acid your body converts directly into nitric oxide. One 16-ounce glass gives you 1,000 milligrams of L-citrulline. Studies show watermelon juice improved arterial function by 28% after 6 weeks. It reduced blood pressure and arterial stiffness. People report warm feet within 3 hours, and the heavy achy feeling diminishes within a week. Unlike other juices, watermelon has lower glycemic load. The problem is availability. Fresh watermelon juice is realistic only in summer unless you buy whole watermelons year-round. Score: 7 out of 10. Number 2. Celery juice. Celery is packed with natural nitrates. Your body converts these nitrates into nitric oxide through bacteria on your tongue and stomach acid. One 16-ounce glass delivers 250 milligrams of nitrates, enough to increase blood flow 35 to 40% within 3 hours. Athletes use celery juice for performance, but it works just as well for older adults, saving their leg circulation. Fresh celery juice is ideal. You need a juicer. 4 to 5 large celery stalks make 1 glass. Drink it on an empty stomach first thing in the morning for maximum absorption. The taste is salty, earthy green. Not pleasant, but if you're serious about fixing circulation, you'll tolerate it. Score: 8.5 out of 10. Number 1. Beetroot juice. The absolute king of circulation drinks. Beets contain the highest concentration of dietary nitrates in drinkable form. One 8-ounce glass delivers 300 to 400 milligrams of nitrates. Your body converts these into nitric oxide with ruthless efficiency. Blood flow increases 30 to 50% within 2 to 3 hours. Studies found older adults who drank beet juice daily for 15 days showed 45% improvement in leg blood flow, 38% reduction in arterial stiffness, 22% improvement in walking endurance, and significant reduction in pain. People report warmer legs within hours, cramping stops within days, and within 2 weeks. The difference is life-changing. Here's how to use it properly. Drink 8 ounces of pure beetroot juice every morning on an empty stomach. This is critical. Empty stomach means maximum absorption. Buy pure stuff with no added ingredients, just pressed beets. Most grocery stores carry it for $6 to $8 per bottle. You can make your own with a juicer. For medium beets, make 8 ounces. The taste is earthy and sweet. One warning: your urine might turn pink. Don't panic, it's harmless. Another warning: beets contain oxalates, so if you have kidney stone history, consult your doctor first. Score: 10 out of 10. Here's how to implement this. Start with beetroot juice every morning, 8 ounces, empty stomach. This is your foundation. Within 3 days, you'll feel warmer legs. Within a week, cramping diminishes. Within 2 weeks, you'll notice improved walking ability and reduced fall risk. Within a month, your circulation will have improved so dramatically your doctor will be shocked. Consistency is everything. You cannot drink beetroot juice for 3 days and expect permanent results. This is a daily habit costing about $30 a month. Compare that to prescription medications costing hundreds with side effects. Don't make these critical errors. First, don't mix these drinks with food immediately. Wait 30 minutes before eating. Second, don't use mouthwash right after drinking. It kills bacteria that convert nitrates to nitrites. Third, don't expect overnight miracles. Full healing takes weeks. Fourth, don't stop prescribed medications without doctor approval. Here's my challenge. Commit to drinking beetroot juice every morning for 30 days. Track how you feel. Notice warmth returning to your legs, cramping disappearing, walking endurance improving. Your circulation won't fix itself. These drinks are your solution. Start tomorrow morning. 8 ounces of beetroot juice, empty stomach, 30 days. Your legs will thank you. Which drink will you try? Share in the comments. Subscribe for more health tips for seniors over 60. Your mobility and independence depend on this. Let's fix this starting now.